Hi, I'm Nick Moore. Over the last few years, Kramer has been developing a new range of audio products, both loudspeakers and power amplifiers. And today we're introducing the all-new PA120Z and PA240Z. These power amplifiers are unique in the Kramer range because they are switchable between 70 100 volt line operation and low impedance or low Z. Both amps use Class D technology and have straightforward web page control. The difference between the two amplifiers is the power output. The PA240Z outputs 240 watts at 70 100 volt line or 2 times 120 watts at low impedance, and the PA120Z outputs 120 watts at 70 100 volt line or 2 times 60 watts at low impedance. Both amplifiers have a number of LEDs on the front panel. We have the power indicator LED, which glows green when the unit is switched on. 2 input indicators which glow green when an input is present. The mute LED glows red when mute is selected. The clip LED glows red when clipping is present and there is a distortion on the audio. And the protect LED glows red when the unit is switched off through overheating, overcurrent or short circuit. Let's have a quick look at the back of the unit. Here we have a 3.5mm unbalanced audio input, terminal blocks for a balanced audio input, terminal blocks for a balanced line level out, the reset to factory default settings button, a master volume control, the Ethernet control, RS-232 control, and the speaker output. Finally, we have a power socket and on-off switch. The dip switches switch between high Z and low impedance settings and between 70 volt and 100 volt line operation. To emphasize the versatility of the PA120Z and PA240Z, we've created this simple setup. The PA120Z is being fed by an MP3 player, which you can see on the top, and by a CD player. We're outputting to a pair of Yarden speakers on the speaker output and to a pair of Tevor powered speakers, which is representative of a 2-room setup. On the touch screen behind me, David is controlling the power amplifier via the built-in web pages. I can feel it inside. Maybe this day could be the one. Here we're looking at the speaker output page, and you can see at the top the control for operating between linked and unlinked modes. So either the speakers are working together on both the power output and the line level output, or they're working separately. The green dots here mirror the LEDs on the front of the amplifier and indicate that a signal is present. So David's going to ramp up the master volume and show a mix between input 1 and input 2. The control for the amplifiers here is being demonstrated through the built-in web pages. Within the web pages is the audio settings page. This page sets the parameters for power saving mode. It allows you to set the standby settings on or off, the threshold and the timeout. We've taken the control facility that's built into the PA120Z and 240Z and put it in this unit called the DSP1. Now this allows you the same level of EQ and volume control that you have in the power amplifiers in a miniature unit. The DSP1 is a simple unit with 2 inputs, a line output, RS-232 and IP control for the built-in web page. The power amplifiers are half rack width each and you can mount two of them side by side in a 19-inch rack. For more information on Kramer's range of audio products, and indeed for our entire range of products, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.